Hi students, now part B, solved problems. In solved problems, we will solve very short questions. First question, what is the first question? Show that the points P75, Q23 and R6 minus 7 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. What do we have to show? We have to show these points P, Q, R, the vertices of right angle triangle. Solution. First you have to draw right angle triangle and also you should know Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle triangle. P, Q are the vertices of right angle triangle. P 7, 5, Q 2, 3 and R 6 minus 7 are the vertices of right angle triangle. This problem depends on distance between 2 points. I wrote all formulas. During the preparation of examinations, first you have to write the formulas and you have to solve the problems. Now, this problem depends on distance between 2 points. What is the distance between 2 points? x1, y1, x2, y2 given root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First we have to find the sides of the right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees, opposite to 90 degrees, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent side and this is opposite side to theta. Now, first you find PQ, the distance between P and Q. PQ. What is the formula you have? First you write the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, first you take this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. x2 minus x1, x1 y1, x2 y2. 2 minus 7 whole square. Square root of x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. 2 minus 7 whole square. Plus 3 minus 5, y2 minus y1 whole square, 3 minus 5 whole square. Square root of 2 minus 7, minus 5. Minus 5 square means 25 plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Minus 2 whole square means you will get 4. Square root of 29. Now, find the distance between Q and R. Square root of, now, x1 y1, x2 y2. 6 minus 2 whole square means you write 6 minus 2 whole square plus minus 7 minus 3 whole square. Minus 7 minus 3 whole square. You will get 6 minus 2 means 4. 4 square means 16 plus minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 whole square means 100. You are getting root of 160. Next. Now you find PR or RP. PR is equal to square root of 6 x2 minus x1 whole square or 7 minus 6 whole square. You will get same thing. 6 minus 7 whole square plus minus 7 minus 5 whole square. Square root of 6 minus 7 means minus 1. Minus 1 whole square means 1 plus minus 7 minus 5. Minus 12 whole square means 144. You will get 145. Now, to show right angle triangle, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Means hypotenuse square must be equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Means opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Opposite side square plus adjacent side square. That is nothing but hypotenuse means PR square is equal to, we have to show PQ square plus QR square. QR square. Now, what is PR square? PR means hypotenuse. PR square root 145 whole square must be equal to PQ square. What is PQ square? PQ is equal to root 29. PQ square you have to find root 29 whole square plus what is QR? QR is equal to root of 169. QR square you have to write 116 whole square. Now this you will get 145 means root of 145 whole square means 145 must be equal to 29 plus 116. Left hand side is equal to 145. Right hand side is also equal to 145. You see, 145 is equal to 145. 29 plus 116 is equal to 145. LHS is equal to RHS. To show right angle triangle, we have to show square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. As we got 145 is equal to 145. As PQ are the vertices of right angle triangle. We have to write as, what do we have to write? Yes, PQ are the vertices of right angle triangle. Next, second problem in very short questions. Verify whether the points A 1 5, B 2 3 and C minus 2 minus 1 are collinear or not. We have to check whether they are collinear or not. What is collinear? Collinear means, what is the definition of collinear? If 3 points, 3 or more than 3 points lie on the same straight line, then they are called collinear points. I will take is a line or line segment. You can take anything. I will take a line. You take A, B, C. Means 3 points. They are lying on the same line. Then these 3 points are called collinear points. The points which lie on the same straight line are called collinear points. The points which lie on the same straight line are called collinear points. AB, and also you can write AB plus BC is equal to AC. In this problem we have to show for collinear points AB plus BC is equal to AC. We have to show. We have to show the distance between A and B plus the distance between B and C must be equal to distance between A and C. Now, solution. I will take 3 points. What is it? A 1 5, B 2 3 and C minus 2 minus 1 you take. A, B, C are collinear points. We have to check whether A, B, C are collinear points or not. A, B, we have to find the distance between A and B. Square root of x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 minus, I will write the formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First you find the distance between A and B. 2 minus 1 whole square. Square root of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. x2, x1, y1, x2, y2. 2 minus 1 whole square. Plus 3 minus 5 whole square. 3 minus 5 whole square. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 square means 1 only. 1 plus 3 minus 5 means minus 2 whole square means 4. This is root 5. Now you find BC. Formula you have x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You take this is x1 y1, x2 y2. Minus 2 minus of 2 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square. Like this you have to take. Minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. You take square root of minus 2 means minus 4 whole square means 16 plus minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4 whole square means you will get 60. You will get root 32 units. Now AC. What is AC? You have to find the distance between A and C. AC minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square minus 1 minus 5 whole square. You will get minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square means 9 plus minus 1 minus 5 means minus 6 whole square means 36. You will get square root of 36 plus 9, you will get 45. We have to show AB plus BC. AB plus BC is equal to AC. See AB. What is AB here? Root 5 plus root 32. Root 5 plus root 32 must be equal to root 45. You cannot add these two. Root 5 plus root 32 is not equal to root 45. These are not collinear points. We can check whether these points are collinear or not by using this area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points? That will be 0. Why? I will show you. Take a triangle here, A, B, C. If you take a triangle like this, the area will be 10 square units. You take 10 square units. This, what is the area of this triangle? You take 5 square units. You take the area of this triangle, 2 square units. You take area of this triangle, 0.5 square units. You take the area of this triangle. You take the area of this triangle. A, B, C are on same line. They lie on same line. The area of the triangle formed by A, B, C or BAC will be 0. Area of A, B, C is 0. Means area of the triangle we have to show 0. Then these points A, B, C are collinear points. What is the formula we have area of the triangle? Area of the triangle we have to show 0. What is the area of the triangle? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. We have to show the area of the triangle must be 0. Then these points are collinear points. We can show whether you are getting 0 or not. We can check. Half into. What is x1 y1? You take this is x1 y1, x2 y2 This is x3, y3 you take. We should get area of the triangle is 0. Half into. What is x1 here? x1 1 into y2 minus y3. 3 minus of minus 1. 3 minus of minus 1 means 3 plus 1 wholes. 3 plus 1. 3 plus. See, y2 minus y3 means 3 minus of minus 1 means 3 plus 1. x2, what is x2 here? 2 into y3 minus y1. y3 minus 1 minus of minus 5 means minus 6. You will get minus 6 plus x3. What is x3 here? Minus 2 into, I will take here minus 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Close it. Square units of into 3 plus 1 4 minus 12 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 half into 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancel. You are getting half into 2 6. You are getting mod of minus 6 square units means 6 square units. The area of the triangle formed by ABC, you are getting 6. You are not getting 0. Therefore, these points are not collinear points. For collinear points, you can use two formulas. Use distance between 2 points and area of the triangle. If you take area of the triangle, you should get 0. If you take distance between 2 points, you should get AB plus BC must be is equal to AC. You have to write ABC. You have to write A, B and C are not collinear points. Like this you have to do. What is third problem in very short questions? If the endpoints of the diameter of the circle are P minus 2, 3 and Q 2 minus 3, then show that the center of the circle is origin. Origin means 0, 0. Origin means 0, 0. Question is big, solution is very small. You see, endpoints, you draw a circle and endpoints of the diameter. This is the diameter. The center of the circle is O. What are the endpoints? P minus 2, 3 and these two are endpoints. Q, what is it? 2 minus 3. We have to check whether the center of the circle is origin. Which formula I have to take? You have to take midpoint. Midpoint of the diameter is origin. Midpoint of these two, midpoint of P and Q is origin. Whether you will get 0, 0 or not, we have to check. This you take x1, y1 and you take x2, y2 you take. x1, y1 and x2, y2. What is the formula you have? O. You take xy is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. What is the midpoint? You write midpoint. What is the formula for midpoint? X coordinate is x1 plus x2 by 2. Y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 by 2. Substitute x1, y1 and x2, y2. What is x1? Minus 2 plus x2 is 2 by 2, comma. What is y1? 3. y1 is 3 plus y2 is minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 by 2 means 0 by 2, comma. 3 plus minus 3. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0 by 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0 and 0 by 2 also 0. Yes, the center of the circle is origin. We can write yes, center of the circle is origin. Yes, center of the circle is origin. You have to use midpoint. Now fourth problem, if x minus 4, 4, 6, 12, y 6, 12 and z minus 2, 2 are the vertices of a triangle, then find centroid. Centroid you have to find. What is the formula for centroid? Gxy is equal to solution. Centroid, what is the formula for centroid? Gxy is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. This is x coordinate and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. You should know the formulas and you have to, when you are going to solve the problems in coordinate geometry, you have to write the formulas like this. Now, centroid means you take x is minus 4, 4, y will be 6, 12 and z will be minus 2, 2. We have to find the centroid. Centroid means intersecting point of medians is called centroid. You have to find this point G, X, Y. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. This is x3, x3, y3, x2, y2 and this is x1, y1. You substitute x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 in the formula centroid Gxy, then you will get centroid. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 minus 4 plus what is x2? 6. You write in brackets plus what is x3? That is minus 2 by 3 comma sum of y coordinates by 3. y1, what is y1? 4 plus 12 plus 2. 4 plus 12 plus 2 by 3. You see, first coordinates by 3 and second coordinate by 3. 4 plus 12 plus 2 minus 4 plus 6 minus 2. You will get plus 4 by 3 and 4 plus 12 16. 16 plus 2 18 by 3 and plus 4 minus 4 cancel. You will get 0 by 3 comma 18 by 3 means 6 is equal to 0 by 3 means you will get 0. 0, 6 is the centroid. 0, 6 is the centroid of the triangle.